Hello everyone, here today for a new review. The HUNTSMAN LITE, so 1.7915.T. So, usual box, grey box. This is a booklet with some info, nothing special. This is the usual paper, and here is the knife. So, specifications, 91mm knife, of course. For the thickness, we have 25.5mm. For the weight, 121 grams. And we have 21 functions. So, I see you in 10 seconds for the review, the tools, etc. So, what do we have? We have lot blade, main blade, small blade or pen blade, as we call that. Then we have wood saw. We have scissors. We have can opener, a little flathead screwdriver at the end, bottle opener, larger flathead screwdriver, wire bender, two positions, inline and 90 degrees. At the back, corkscrew, mini tool, mini screwdriver, straight pin. So the mini tool, straight pin, it's included when you buy it. I didn't add anything. Pen, ballpoint pen, same thing, didn't change the scales. It comes with plus scales, so toothpick and tweezers. And of course keyring, so 21 functions. So it's exactly as HUNTSMAN. Difference is we add this layer with the light and the Phillips, two positions, 90 degrees, inline, and the light. So to compare, we have an old light on this one, and we have a new. So the difference is here we have a gray housing, here we have translucent housing. So it changed in around 2019, something like 2 years ago. The only difference is not the look, but the light is slightly stronger than the old one, the gray. And Victorinox said it's stronger, so we'll see that. I'm gonna turn the light off. One thing is we have in both new batteries, of course. So this is the old one. So the old one is the thinner one, and the thicker one is the Cyber Tool Lite, so the new light. And as you can see, so old one and new one. New one on the left, old one on the right. And I'll let you judge by yourself, but to me there's not a lot of differences. I don't think this one is really more is brighter than the old one. At least that's really hard to say. So this is the old one, this is the new one. Maybe slightly brighter, I don't know. That's not a big difference. That's really not a big difference. So I don't know. There's not much between those two lights. Maybe a little brighter for the new one, but you know. For the look, I would say the new look, translucent, is better. That's my opinion, of course. But to me, it's better translucent. For the price, we are at, for Victorinox price, 78 euros. So that's really expensive, I think. The HUNTSMAN is 40 euros. So it's twice the price. So I think it's a bit expensive, I would say. A bit expensive just for the light and the Phillips and the mini screwdriver at the back that we don't have on the HUNTSMAN. The plus scales, the mini screwdriver, the straight pin you don't have when you buy HUNTSMAN. But of course you can add all these. You can change the scale, back scale, and add the pen. But you don't have all this when you buy HUNTSMAN. It's only with HUNTSMAN Lite. So it's really it's expensive. I bought it. I found it at for 50 euros. So I think it was a good deal. So I think that's it for the review. As usual, I hope you liked the video. If so, consider leaving a thumbs up or like. Leave a comment below to say what you think about the knife. Discuss anything. If you have questions, in the comment section, I always answer them. There's also the channel's Instagram account link in the description, so have a look. Regularly posts photos from my collection. And finally, of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Obviously, plenty of videos coming, all kinds of Victorinox on the knives. So in the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Really hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching. Be well and see you next time. Bye-bye.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul.